This website has been developed to support the study of the Python programming language. You can locate it at www.pythonbitesize.com. It consists of free video lessons. You will be able to view 275 videos. This is 50 hours of runtime, equivalent to 50 one-hour lessons. The videos cover sequence, selection, iteration, operators, strings, functions, lists, dictionaries, classes, objects, namespaces, graphical user interfaces, Kinter, Turtle, complex numbers, NumPy, Matplotlib, object-oriented programming, tips, and file handling. The videos are developed by an academic and software engineer with decades of experience. The URL has just come into view. Check it out. The link is in the description. New videos are frequently added to the website. It is free to follow on Patreon, from where you will receive updates on all additions to the website. The link to Patreon is also in the description.